Welcome to this GED Math Booster video. The topic of this video involves finding the total from a pie chart. This is a pretty common question. If the rent for the budget shown on the right is $4,500, what is the amount of the total budget? So we have a pie chart here, and the entire pie represents the total amount. And we can see that the pie is broken up into 4 different chunks. We have labor at 56%, rent at 18%, equipment 16%, and marketing 10%. And we are told that the rent is $4,500. And we know from the chart that that represents 18% of the total. And we are being asked to find the total amount of the budget. Another way to phrase this is $4,500 is 18% of what number? We know the part is $4,500. We know the percent is 18%, and we are trying to find the total value of the pie. This kind of problem can be solved using the percent proportion. So let's do that. This is the percent proportion formula. Part over whole equals percent over 100. Sometimes that's thought of as is over of equals percent over 100. Hopefully you have seen one of those or both in the past. Now let's fill in our numbers. 4,500 is the part. We are trying to find the whole. So I put an X on the bottom of that side of our proportion, and that is equal to 18% divided by 100. So now we just have to cross multiply and solve as we normally would with a proportion. So we cross multiply X and 18. And we cross multiply 4,500 and 100. So 18x equals 4,500 times 100. We simplify that. 18x equals 450,000. The last step in cross multiplying and solving a proportion is to divide both sides by the same number. And in this case, it's 18, so we divide both sides by 18. That cancels out this 18 on the left-hand side, and we are left with x equals 450,000 divided by 18, which is $25,000. X equals $25,000. We look over at our answers. That is answer C. So the key takeaway from this video is to remember to find the total amount for a pie chart. You can set up and solve a proportion using that percent proportion formula. That wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful.